Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is the Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. This is what the foundation looks like outside of this box, and I've picked the shade 2 and 1.5 Beige. This is their luminous version. They do also have a matte version of this foundation. I did pick this one because I prefer more of a luminous foundation. I did test this one before, as usual, like all the foundation reviews I do. I always prefer to test them before I come on here and talk to you about this foundation. I do also want to throw in this review some other Laura Mercier products, and I'm talking about their amazing blush Color Infusion. I do have 4 shades at the moment: Grapefruit, Pomegranate, Strawberry, and Sangria. They're gorgeous, gorgeous blushes. And enough of me talking, let's just go ahead and apply the foundation. I'm going to be applying the foundation with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to apply one pump on the back of my hand and show you how much I can apply with that. But since I'm using a beauty blender, I already know that one pump is not enough, but let's give it a start anyway. I have already, it's not a big, okay, let's do more than one pump, because for the beauty blender this is not very much. As I was saying, I already did my skincare with the classic Origins, the Mega Mushroom line, and also prepped and primed my skin with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bob Brown. Right off the back, I can tell you that it has a beautiful coverage. I wouldn't call this a full coverage foundation because it doesn't give me that vibe, but it's definitely like a nice light to medium coverage. It's not super glowy as it claims to be honest, but it's pleasant. It's a pleasant glow. So this is now one side done here. I'm just gonna move into this other side, and yeah. Okay, here we go. So with 2.5 pumps, I've managed to do my whole face with a beauty blender. 2.5 pumps, it did a really great job in covering all of my face. As I said, this is not a full coverage foundation, so I can still see peeking through my usual blemishes. But as you can see, the glow that provides is really pretty. Now, it does look super glowy because I'm standing in front of a natural daylight in front of my window. But in person is not as glowy as it looks on camera. It's actually a quite nice, pleasant glow. It's not this big as it looks. I really like it. Like, okay, here you can still see. I'm not gonna go over with a second layer of foundation because I do like this natural finish, like makeup, no makeup kind of look. But I do presume that you can build up this foundation quite easily. And yeah, sorry, I covered my face. I'm just gonna quickly, like, I completely went on and applied it right away. I just want to quickly read you in the back of the box what this foundation claims to do and to be. So it's Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. Deliver a perfectly luminous finish that looks flawless in any light. The weightless medium to full coverage, full coverage formula looks and feels like a second skin. Improves skin natural luminosity over time for lasting radiance. Hydrate, visibly smooth and soften skins. Provides 15 hours of foundation moisturization. So let's see all the claims, what I think about it. Medium to full coverage? No. I don't think so. Probably light to medium is more accurate. As I said, if you maybe do another layer, then you can build up to a medium, but I wouldn't call this a medium to full coverage at all. At least personally. There might be some other people out there that think this is a medium to full coverage, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Luminosity, yes, it does have luminosity. As I said, I am standing in front of a window, so the luminosity comes across like brighter, but in person it's not as luminous, so I will give a light to medium luminosity as well. What else did it claim to have? Hydrates, yes, it does feel quite nice and pleasant on the skin. I mean, yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice, so I guess it is quite hydrating. Visibly smooth. Visibly smooth. I don't know, I need to think about that. And soften skin for Okay. Okay. Feels comfortable as second skin. I do agree with that. It definitely feels very weightless. It feels very natural and as second skin, as it says. And that is it. This is the foundation applied. I'm just gonna go very quickly off camera and do a little bit of powder, bronzer, and I'll come back to use the beautiful blushes by Laura Mercier. And I'm back. Here you can see I've done a little bit of makeup, a very quick and easy, two eyeshadow, literally two eyeshadow, eye makeup, a little bit of mascara, and as you can see my cheek still looks pretty dull, so let's go ahead and play. Where are they? Oh my god. Oh, here. These Laura Mercier blushes, which I'm obsessed over it. Okay, so the first shadow is Grapefruit. Is a beautiful, how would you describe this? Like a peachy, like a peach color. Give you a quick swatch. This is the color. So the payoff of the color is quite strong. Beautiful peach with a hint of red and pink in it. It's beautiful. Next we have Strawberry, which is nice, beautiful, subtle pink. So this is what it looks like on the back of my finger. And I'm gonna swatch it here. Here we go. It's not as visible as the other one, but it's because it's more of a subtle kind of pink color. Here we have Pomegranate, which is a beautiful, how would you describe this? Like a rose mixed with pink. It's gorgeous. Watch of this one over here. A little bit like purplish kind of as well. It's beautiful. And then the last one, I'm afraid to open it because it's actually a little bit broken. It's called Sangria. But I'll show you like with the, is this one over here. I don't want it, it's broken, so I don't want the stuff to fall off. But I received it like this and I was pretty disappointed. I was like, what the hell? But I'll give you a swatch anyway. So this one I think is the darkest, probably. Right here. No, actually it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. It looked darker on the pan, but I would say it's like something in between this one and this one. Like, definitely. We have Grapefruit, Strawberry, Pomegranate, and Sangria. Beautiful colors. I think I'm gonna use Pomegranate. It's just calling my name. Pay off right away. Love it. Beautiful. Oh my god, they are pigmented. So pigmented. How pretty. Love it. So that's it. These are all the products I wanted to show you in today's video. I hope you find it helpful. The Laura Mercier, the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. Beautiful foundation. Definitely not one of my favorites. This is not something I feel like I'm gonna gravitate towards as often as some other foundation I've reviewed before. But definitely a beautiful foundation to have in your foundation kit. I'm not gonna go over all the facts because if you watched the beginning, I've already talked about it, but definitely a pretty foundation. And of course the Laura Mercier blushes, I mean, what can I say? They literally speak for themselves. Beautiful, beautiful, pigmented, little goes a long way. The color is, oh, beautiful, beautiful blushes. And this is it. We are towards the end of the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Once again, let me know in the comment down below what do you think, if you've used their blushes before, if you used their foundation before. I was also drawn to purchase the actual concealer, but I didn't because I thought, okay, I already have enough. Maybe let's stop here. This stuff is not sent to me for free, I wish. So Yeah, but give it a thumbs up if you like this video, but also if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And also follow me on social media, mainly on Instagram, and you can find me there at Glamstract. And while you're here, why don't you just subscribe? Is the red button, subscribe. Stupid. Thanks so much for watching once again, and I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Bye.